man, I ruined my mewing streak, dude. Oh my goodness, man. Dude, that just... What is the look Maxer's gonna say to me? I'm toast. No. I ruined my mewing streak. Chat, is this real chat? Am I cooked, chat? What's the look Maxer's gonna think of me, man? Chat, I think I'm cooked. Anyway, what's up, militia? And welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back to the wonderful world of Nitro. I'm Mr.Creekyt, and today we'll be getting a little bit of stuff done. But first, as our 10-second silence, those that have fallen. Okay, and we are back. So, I will be getting a little bit of stuff done, but first thing first, we will be, so we're going to get some stuff done, but we're also going to be going to the park to play some soccer. Me and my brothers, we're going to the park to play soccer, but first of all, we got to get some stuff down here done. Also, we have to play fetch with my dog and all that. But after that, we can, go to the park, get a bit of soccer done, come back home, have dinner, and then, hop back on the PS4 and, go talk to some more friends. That's, practically the only way I can socialize, by, going and playing, public games. Due to here, it's not very, most of everyone here is, old. In the nicest way possible. In, my neighborhood, they're all old people. And so, no people my age are here. And then, around this area, it's not at all walk-friendly. There's no sidewalks whatsoever. When I was in Colorado, there was sidewalks everywhere. Along with that, when I was in Utah, there were sidewalks, too. So, I mean, it's kind of annoying. Anyway. Wait. I think I heard something in the underground house. Hold on. In the world. Anyway. We're gonna be getting this stuff done. And I hope y'all will enjoy the time lapse we're about to go to. But, of course, we're gonna be going into a time lapse. Just like that. I have to just wait for y'all, I have to make it cool, we can't just go into a normal. Ignore me, I'm mewing. Alrighty. Anyway, welcome back to the back. My hand, as you see, got bit 3 times by one of those black ants, and it is very painful. So that's why we had to end it early. Anyway, I do want to say this. On vacation, there was 30 girls that were my age, alright? Here we go. Welcome back to the feud. We got 1 answer on the board. Alright, Armando. Did Armand get himself a girlfriend? Now, before you answer, the bribe team can take over and win that prize money. If you get this wrong, you go ahead. I'm gonna go with yes, Steve. Alright. Survey says, oh, wow, that was a big X right there. Ooh. Yeah, unfortunately, he did not get himself girlfriend. So, Bribe family gets to win that money. Yeah, anyway, I did not get myself a girlfriend. Oh well. I don't really care, honestly. It's alright, chat. I don't care. It's alright. Don't ignore me. I'm crying. It's alright. I don't cry. Yeah. Grown men don't cry. No poop July is really affecting my voice, man. Anyway. Yeah, so I think that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was practically like you were in a fever dream, I know. But it was really a fun video, and I can't wait to edit it today and add all the cool little stuff that I was going to add. I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Have a good day and stay safe. Alright, sorry. I'll